Hi, Jeff. It's so good to be here again at Pfaff. I remember last year we had a job fair and it was really super exciting. Can you talk to me a little bit about how you've seen the industry this year and how many students you've had so far to date?
Glad to have you, Gloria. It's great to have Collision Repair Magazine here. It's been great, actually. We had some advertising, I wrote some marketing, and last I checked, we had about 175 RSVPs. So, probably ends up with about 75 people. I think it's probably what the ratio works out to. So far, we're about 2 hours in, and we've had at least 50 people. So I think it's going to be a good turnout. Some great quality people come through. So.
Can you tell me a little bit about what it is that they're talking about when they come? Is it a specific area?
You know what? It's everything. We have people that have never even seen us inside a body shop, which is not ideal for us, but there's also people with lots of experience estimating CSRs, that type of thing, technicians. So.
And if I remember last year, you did have some hires following the job fair.
We did, actually, yeah. We've always had some good luck with it. Over the years when we've done this type of thing, we've always had good luck. So,
okay. Well, listen, thank you. Thank you for, inviting us to be here. And hopefully this time next year, we'll do the same thing. Thank you.